Well, dear guys, today I am here before you with a motivational speech regarding the childhood, regarding the manhood and regarding the nation. वर्ड्सवर्थ ने एक बहुत अच्छा स्टेटमेंट दिया था, ए चाइल्ड इज़ द फादर ऑफ ए मैन। हालांकि यह सुनने में बड़ा अटपटा लगता है कि एक चाइल्ड, एक बच्चा कैसे सियाने का पिता हो सकता है, बट इट इज़ अ प्रोवर्ब। ए प्रोवर्ब इज़ अ वर्ड, a proverb is a group of words which tells us something wise saying. Its meaning is quite different than that of the meaning of the words. No doubt, a child is the father of a man. To listen it, it makes an odd sense, but reality is something else. Actually, the poet wants to say, childhood is the period of foundation. Childhood is the period of foundation. If our childhood is strong, our manhood will be strong. If the childhood is strong, the manhood will be strong, and ultimately the nation will be strong. If childhood is, if the foundation of the childhood is weak, the manhood will be weak, and ultimately it will affect the nation. In the childhood, a child needs proper caring, proper parental caring. Proper parental caring means proper discipline, time schedule, his likings and dislikings. All these things must be considered. No doubt we have to love our children, but we have to watch. We must have watchful eyes on their activities, if they are going in the right direction or not. If a child's behavior is not good, not only the child is responsible, we the parents are also responsible. It means we are doing something wrong in the wrong direction for the proper nourishment of the child. We are not nurturing the child in the proper way. As is the childhood, so is the manhood. If the foundation is strong, the manhood will be strong. If the foundation is weak, the building will be weak. We can't raise the multi-stories building if the foundation is weak. Same way, childhood is the period of foundation. If it is weak, the very child can't be converted into a good citizen. The childhood is the period of foundation. We have to be careful, we have to be watchful for this. Morning shows the day. As is the morning, so is the day. As is the seed, so is the tree. As is the childhood, so is the manhood. We have to be conscious towards the activities of a child. Only then we can get a good citizen who will do something for the nation. So we have to take care about the child, about their activities. I never say not to give proper affection. Give proper affection. Give proper love and loving and caring. but we have to be conscious towards their discipline, towards their culture, towards their environment, towards their situation, towards their friendship. We have to be watchful. Only then the child will become a good citizen. Otherwise, we can do nothing. Thank you. Have a nice day.